Aqueous acid. A substance that produces H ions in solution. Aqueous base. A substance that produces O ions in solution. Bronsted-Lowry acid. Proton donor. Bronsted-Lowry base. Proton acceptor. Hydronium ion. The predominant form of the proton in aqueous solution. Conjugate acid. A substance formed by addition of a proton to a Bronsted-Lowry base. Conjugate base. A substance formed by the loss of a proton from a Bronsted-Lowry acid. Conjugate acid-base pair. An acid and a base, such as H20 and O, that differ only in the presence or absence of a photon. Auto-ionization. The process whereby water spontaneously forms low concentrations of H and O ions by proton transfer from one water molecule to another. pH. The negative log in base 10 of the equated hydrogen ion concentration. Percent ionization. The percent of a substance that undergoes ionization on dissolution in water. The term applies to solutions of weak acids and bases. Polyprotic acid. A substance capable of dissociating more than one proton in water. Hydrolysis. A reaction with water. When a cation or anion reacts with water, it changes the pH. Oxyacid. A compound in which one or more O groups, and possibly additional oxygen atoms, are bonded to a central atom. Carboxylic acid. A compound that contains the COOH functional group. Common ion effect. A shift of an equilibrium induced by an ion common to the equilibrium. Buffered solution. A solution that undergoes a limited change in pH upon addition of a small amount of acid or base. Buffer capacity. The amount of acid or base a buffer can neutralize before the pH begins to change appreciably. Solubility product constant. An equilibrium constant related to the equilibrium between a solid salt and its ions in solution. It provides a quantitative measure of the solubility of a slightly soluble salt. Solubility. The amount of a substance that dissolves in a given quantity of solvent at a given temperature. 2. form a saturated solution. Complex ion. An assembly of a metal ion and the Lewis bases bonded to it. Qualitative analysis. The determination of the presence or absence of a particular substance in a mixture. Quantitative analysis. The determination of the amount of a given substance that is present in a sample.